In this video, we'll look into a step-by-step guide on how to install Oracle VirtualBox on Windows 11. VirtualBox is a tool that allows users to create and run virtual machines or VMs on their computers. Hello everyone, welcome to IoT Frontier. My name is Hariharnath. Without further delay, let's get started with the video. So first thing that you need to do is you can search VirtualBox in the Google or directly open virtualbox.org and click on download. So here, as we are seeing in the Windows 11, you should click on Windows host. So it will download the package here. So I have already downloaded, I can click on this. Now you can see the setup wizard of Oracle VirtualBox is appearing. You can just click on next, accept the license, click on next, leave everything as it is, click on next and then click on yes. Then you can click on next and install. Now we can click on this checkbox and finish it. Now you can see the Oracle VirtualBox manager has opened. Now here, if you want to create a new virtual machine, I'll just show you a small and tiny Linux virtual machine. This is called Tiny Core Linux. And here you can go to downloads and we have 3 different x86 Linux machines. So it will provide you the ISO files by which you can start the virtual machine. And basically it will be having the basic OS. So I have downloaded the core, that is 17 MB. So you can click on it and it will be downloaded as an ISO files. So next what you need to do is go to VirtualBox, click on new. Here you can give Tiny Core and in the ISO you search for others and the core current. So select that ISO and the type Linux, you can keep other as a subtype and other Linux 32-bit because we have seen it is x86, and in the hardware I'll give it 2 GB RAM and 2 virtual CPUs. Next, in the hard disk I'll have to create a new virtual hard disk with a 2 GB memory. I can give here and click on finish. Now under the settings, go to the network and select bridged adapter. Click on OK and start. Now you can see it has installed this virtual machine and it is asking for us to enter. So now if I enter, it has booted and I can click help. So it is giving different options like ch, dir, break, printf, etc. So these are the minimal operations that is possible with this operating system. Now I can close this by power off the machine. So this is how you can use VirtualBox and install any kind of operating system. And once you are done with this, you can also delete this. So you can go to select this, click on machine and remove. So you can click on delete all files so that it will remove everything. That's all for today's video. I hope this video has been informative. If yes, please type helpful in the comment section below. Your support means a lot to us and helps us keep creating more content like this. So please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in another interesting video.